An espag window handle is a handle which operates an espag locking mechanism. First, you will need to remove the screw cover cap, revealing the first screw. Now the cover cap has been removed, proceed to remove the first screw. Open the window handle to reveal the second screw and proceed to remove it. Now the window handle has been removed, we can move on to measuring it. You only need to measure the spindle length, measuring from the base of the handle to the tip of the spindle. The handle we are replacing here measures 40 mm. Now that you've measured your window handle, you can proceed to gbdiystore.com and purchase your new handle. Now that you've got your new window handle, remove it and all the accessories from the bag, making sure to double check the spindle length. Insert the new window handle into the window, ensuring that the window handle is in the same locked or unlocked position as the window. Using the screws provided, attach the window handle securely to the window. Once attached, test the handle to make sure it operates correctly, and also test the key to make sure that it deadlocks the button. To finish, install the screw cover cap over the top screw and you're all done.